These paints are a premium water-based acrylic glow-in-the-dark paint. GloNation's Bright Time Glow paints come in 7 beautiful colors that use our triple glow powder technology, combined with superior, super clear acrylic to develop the best glow paint of its kind on the market. The paints stick to most clean surfaces, are super bright, have brilliant daytime color, superior glow under a black light, and continue to glow brightly after the lights go out. These paints have been used by some of the most talented artists and crafters in the world and can be charged and recharged so you can enjoy them for years. So fire up your project today by using GloNation's Bright Time Glow Paint. Apply it today. Be amazed tonight.